So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to enter opening balance in Xero. So firstly, from your Xero dashboard, click on the accounting menu and choose Advanced from the drop-down list. On the Advanced Settings page, click on Conversion Balances. Now ensure your conversion date is set to the exact day you started using Xero. Enter the totals for your old charts of accounts. And now, if you entered a balance for accounts receivable in step 2, Xero will now require you to back up. Just click Add Invoice button, enter the details of every unpaid sales invoice that was issued prior to your conversion date. Continue adding them until the sum of these invoices matches your total accounts. Just click and it will display the green matched tick. Repeat the exact same process for your outstanding suppliers. Just click Add Bill and enter the specific unpaid bill you owe to your creditors prior to the conversion date. Now scroll to the bottom of the page and ensure your total debit equals your total credits. They must balance to zero out. Once everything is aligned and your outstanding invoices or bills have the green ticks, click Save to lock in your historical financial data. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.